In this particular circuit, we want to find the mesh, the current in each arm, that is I1, I2, and I3, using the mesh analysis. Now, according to mesh analysis, we take a mesh loop current. Let's say the loop current here, let's call it IA. Let's call the loop current here IB. And let's call the loop current here IC. Now, if you notice, between IA and IB is already 6 amperes, so we can simply say that IA, actually that should be IA minus IB is equal to minus 6. Now we say minus 6 because we notice that the 6 amperes is going in the same direction with IB, okay, but moving in opposite direction with IA, so it's not in the same direction with IA. So we have IA minus IB equal to 6. You can call that equation 1. Okay, now if you look at the second loop current here, between IB and IC, you see 8 amperes. And you see that 8 amperes is going in the same direction as IB, the loop current IB. So we can say here that IB minus IC, okay, is equal to 8 amperes. So that is what we have. Now, it may not be possible for us to, in each of the meshes, for us to find the voltage around each loop, so we can as well find a super mesh. That means using KVL on the super mesh. This is a super mesh. That means ignoring the super mesh ignores each of these loop currents, okay. And if we follow the super mesh from here, now we are going to get minus 2 IA, the current moving through it now is IA, the mesh current IA. Then coming here for the 2 ohm resistor here, the current moving there is 2 plus 2 IB, okay. And while here, okay, sorry, this is IA, then we have plus 2 IB, okay. Then for this one here, we have plus IC, that's IC times this 1 ohm resistor, all equal to 0. Okay, so at this point we can solve the equations simultaneously, and if we do that, we is equal to minus 2 amperes, IB is equal to 4, then IC is equal to minus 4 amperes. Now you can see that I1 is actually negative of IA since they are moving in opposite direction, so that means I1 is actually 2 amperes. I2 is moving in the same direction with IB, so I2 is IB, which is 4 amperes. Then IC is moving in the same direction with I3, so that means we can say that I3, let's clean that up. We can say that I3 is also equal to minus 4 amperes. So the answer, we have our I1 is 2 amperes, our I2 is 4 amperes, and our I3 is minus 4 amperes. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to our channel to get updates. Thank you.